Hi guys, I am currently in the car outside Yarndale waiting for it to be opened. I thought it would be a bit of fun today to take the camera around the show for those of you who couldn't make it down to Skipton this weekend. It's always one of my favourite weekends of the year. I get to see loads of my favourite yarnies and designers, and so yeah, I thought I'd bring you with me this time. Yeah, I'm just in the car with some crochet and some snacks because I allowed a little bit too much time for traffic. So I will see you, I guess, probably in the queue in a minute. What's your name?
Sue.
And where have you travelled from today?
Carlisle.
Okay, so
Carlisle, so I teach crochet and knitting.
So what are you most looking forward to today at Yarndale?
I've got a couple of classes covered.
Oh, fab. Which ones are you doing?
The natty purse and the inner spin.
Well, Mary, your daughter tells us that you make your own yarn.
I do. I have a small business called Yarndale Yarn made, and I used a sheet from my Shetland sheet, my little flock Shetland sheet.
One of the first places we stopped by was a wool warehouse. All of these lovely blankets are by Lucy from Attic 24. And up the back you can see Christine of Winning Mum's socks. This is the super clever Dizzy sheep spinner that yarns from the plane. There's just so much yarn to take in at Yarndale. I know it sounds like an obvious thing to say, but just it can be a little bit overwhelming at times, but there's always something that just stands out from the crowd. And you know, if you get really stressed, there are also bunnies. Look at them. It's not just yarn at Yarndale, you can also pick up some patterns from talented designers. It's one of my favourites, Sarah Aldersign, who has designed for Knit Now in the past, but she's recently been working on some amazing books. But yeah, there's just colour everywhere you look, and to suit all tastes, so whether you want something really bright, something a bit softer, rich, sparkly, plain, stripy, anything you like. And if you need all-in-one inspiration, you can pick up kits even, so you don't have to do any of the hard work of matching the yarn to the pattern. It was just so lovely to catch up with brilliant, clever, talented people from our industry, and also to just get inspired really for the issues that I'm going to be working on next, whether that's finding new yarns that I want to feature, patterns that I want to tell you about in the news. This is my colleague Angela having fun on the Toft stand. So that's Yarndale. It's a really amazing show. If you haven't been before, try and get up next year, and hopefully I will see you there.